Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited today. So I got a new challenge. So I train with this company called OPSM and I want to work with them in the summer because they're an awesome company and they gave me a challenge. So they asked me to make two templates for them. The first one is for their pro athletes to track all their statistics and stuff like that, and the second one is to talk about the company. So I don't have much experience in design and stuff like that. I've made like my resume on Canva, I've edited YouTube thumbnails, but that's not templates. So I pretty much don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna use the internet, try to figure it out. I think it's a good skill to have to learn something, and secondly, I want to build that connection with them. So whatever they give me, I'll make sure I get it done. So here's the email I got. It says, I want you to create a template for professional athletes. What I want is 2 pages, so that's easy to follow. There's 4 columns, as we can see right there. There's going to be estimated goals, how many goals you scored, estimated assists, how many assists you scored, team of the week, actual team of the week, and games played versus actual games played. Then on the second page is tracking month to month. So the first page is going to be just those 4 things, and the second page is going to be January, February, month to month, stuff like that, to see how the players develop. Now here, if we look down here, it says from March to October, which is 10 months. It's not really true, it's 8 months, so I'll probably just do March to October. If there's any like small concerns, I can change that easily. So I'm gonna make a plan right now. I don't understand, my camera can't focus, but the iPhone focuses really nicely. So here's my plan so far. Player number, first name, a nice picture, pretty much the same stuff. I just removed the age. And then estimated goals, there's gonna be like text box, actual goals. This feels exactly like my program. It feels like I'm making applications in computer engineering. It's kind of cool. Here's the templates that I found. So I was just googling them, stats templates, sports templates, stuff like that. I found this one I really like. So it looks really clean: player name, picture, stats about you, and then here I could put like estimated things and the actual things. I really like that one. I also like the look of this one. So I like the format of the other one, and then I would probably make it something like that for estimated goals and things like that. So I'm gonna make a plan on paper. So on Canva, I've been looking, and the best I can find is probably like a daily report. You see there's already columns here. I could have the things, picture, short description, and a name. And there's also like lesson plan. I might use one of these and change it a lot so it looks more like soccer or less school related. I'm gonna check maybe pages because I know that would be an option, and I'll check for more options online. So the company's colors are like black and red, so I thought this report would look good. I'm gonna change the green color, but I just like the black background, so I'm gonna get started. So here, I just realized that I could put it all in one text because it all has to be the same font and everything, and then it's going to be way easier to adjust spacing and things. I'm going to add like a country flag, which is like a small touch, which I think is nice. And also, if they have to print these, I don't think black's a good idea in the background. It's going to take way too much ink. So we're going to change the color. So I changed the colors up a bit. It was red and white, and I thought it didn't really go well together. Red goes well with black, so I changed it to lighter blue, put blue behind the image. I think this looks pretty good. All the fonts are like in bold for what it is. I added the small country flags. I think this is a pretty good example. So I'm gonna move on to the second page of this assignment. For the second part, it pretty much has to track all the stats individually for every month. So I made my template for the second page. So here's what I'm gonna want. I'm gonna want all the months on the left side over here, and then I'm gonna have goals, assists, games played, and team of the week over here. So I'm gonna make a nice chart. So I think that's gonna be first page, that's second page. So you're gonna have the same like background template, and we'll see if I can make a chart that looks nice. So I'm gonna use this template since it already has all the boxes I want, and it's gonna be pretty easy to add some and modify. So I'm finally done the first challenge. This is the first page, the player's information, stuff like that, and his goals for the season. I changed the color from the light blue it was to like a different blue from the other template. I think it looks better. It looks like less, it stands out less. That's what I find. So it's better. You don't want it to stand out. You just want it to be nice. And the second page looks like this. So it's going to be the player's name, a smaller picture of them, monthly stats, and then there's a nice chart for goals, assists, games played, team of the week. And then there's all the months here, the 8 months, and as they go on through the season, they add all their stats each month by month. So that's my first part. I'll include the feedback if I get any in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll make a different video for the second part.